Hello everybody. So what we got going on for a project here, as you can see, we got a wood splitter sitting here in the shop. Let me get on this side. I didn't realize the sun was coming in the lens like that. Motor shot. Picked it up very reasonable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the beam here off and put it on this skid steer quick attach plate and make a skid steer splitter out of it. Something I've been wanting to do for a while, waiting for the right splitter to come along. So let me get some wrenches here and we'll start taking the cylinder loose here. That's tight. Probably should get something. Probably gonna have full run out here. We're going to have oil running out of both spots. And to be very honest, I ain't too bothered about keeping too many parts either. Man, that looks like nice new hydraulic oil. Well, you all missed it. I effed up royally. I set that damn thing up like that, and with no hoses or controls on it, the cylinder took off downhill, shot oil the whole way across the damn shop. I'm glad I pulled my wife's car out. So be careful of that if you ever do something like this. It's enough to piss a person off. So I gotta find something to clean the damn oil up with. So bring it back. So here's what we got so far. I got the plate laying here on the floor. I don't have anything to pick it up to get it any higher right at the moment. I don't have the skid loader here. But you can see right there I run that 2x2 right up against the end there, and I will weld that fast. I got it centered on the plate as far as top to bottom, and there's how I'm going to leave it. It's going to overhang the right hand side. That'd be good so I can see it. So I'm going to wipe this oil off and I'm going to tack it fast, and then we'll go from there. I might run a couple, think about putting some braces in it. I'll have to see here how it goes. That's all I can say. So, alrighty, I'll bring you back. Hopefully you guys are back far enough that the welding arc won't bother the camera too bad. I'm no professional welder. I can stick two pieces of metal together though. smoky in here. Ah, we'll turn the fan on for a little while. Definitely going to do a second pass. So I'm going to get these cleaned up, do some more welding, and I'll bring you back. So what you guys just seen me make there are some braces. I'm going to put one in here like this and put one on the other side to keep this thing, because this out here is where the weight's going to be when you're splitting wood if you pick pieces up. And I think the welds, and I'll probably put another one in here, would hold it. This is a 1/4 inch thick plate, but I just want something a little extra in here, so I think I'm going to put this in here, weld this fast, just to give it a little extra strength. So that's what these little pieces you just see me make are for. So I'll bring you back.